How to fix Marvel Rivals GPU crash. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to fix your Marvel Rivals game when it is crashing. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing that you're going to do first is to just simply go to your library in Steam. Afterwards, just search up for Marvel Rivals. So just search that up, click on the game, right click it, and then once you're here, just simply go to properties. Once you're in properties, just go to general, and then under launch options, just type in -DX11. So this will just run the game in DirectX 11. So if you are experiencing crashes, maybe this option can help you out. Next is just go to installed files right here. Go to browse right here. So just click on browse. Afterwards, just scroll down until you see the Marvel Rivals launcher. So it's this one right here. So just right click it, go to properties, and then once you're in properties, just go to compatibility right here. And then once you're in compatibility, make sure that compatibility mode right here is switched on. So make sure that this box right here is switched on. So run this program in compatibility mode 4, and then just leave it at Windows 8. And then after that, just disable full screen optimizations right here, and then to run the program as an administrator. And then once you're done, just simply click on apply, click on OK, and then there you go, you are now done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to fix Marvel Rivals when it is crashing. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.